You probably think car shopping is just new or used. You're missing the third way. Not the typical choices, not what everyone else is looking at, something smarter and often cheaper. It's called an executive demo. Sometimes a courtesy vehicle, sometimes a retired service loaner. Different names, same idea, same opportunity. Here's how it works. These cars start out with a short-term job. Some are service loaners. Basically, your car is in the shop, here's something nicer to drive. Others are dealer demo vehicles, used at events like launches or golf tournaments. They're not auction cars or random trade-ins. They've been representing the dealership on the road and cared for so well, they probably have better maintenance records than your last car. Even with a few thousand miles, some of these vehicles have never been titled. And that small detail actually matters. Depending on the brand, they can qualify for new car incentives. Interest rates, manufacturer rebates, special lease offers, the perks most pre-owned cars can only dream about. You also dodge the sharpest part of the depreciation curve. Think of it like buying a car that's already broken in, and the warranty still there. Many qualify for certified pre-owned status, which can extend coverage even further. In some cases, a CPO demo can even have better warranty coverage than brand new. Some even come with special APR offers. So choosing a demo isn't compromise, it's efficiency. You get modern safety tech, that new car feel, and a smart financial move. All without paying full price and keeping things easy, transparent, and fun. That's the third way.